Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys I'll be going and showing you how to go and factory reset your MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook. And this is what you'll have in front of you. But let's say you want to go and factory reset it. So the first thing that you need to do is go and click on your settings. So the settings you can find of course by looking at the gear icon on your of course MacBook, or you can just go and click on the F4 which will like this get you to the spotlight search, where you can of course go and search for your settings. So just type in settings and here you'll get the system settings. Now the system settings will open and this is what you'll have. On the left side of the screen, as you can see, you'll have a lot of options: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network, battery, general, etc. We need to go and focus on the general. So click on general and this is when you're in battery, this is what you'll have there. But when you click on general, this is what you'll have. Now scroll down, here we have about, software updates, etc. But we need to go down to the very end where we have transfer or reset. Click on there and then here we have, as you can see, erase all content and settings, open migration assistant. So there is where you can of course transfer or reset your MacBook. It is that easy guys. It's how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.